nasa aeroplano tayo ah.
Yes, sir.
Wait lang, sorry.
Sige lang, sir.
Okay lang.
Kapit po. Opo.
Okay.
Nagmo-motor din kayo, sir?
Oo, nandun naka-flat eh.
Anong bike nyo, sir?
RS 100 1989 na lumang Yamaha.
Wow.
Yung mga tricycle drivers.
Oh, pero sir, sobrang rare na nun ah.
Oo. Kasi yung
Mahal na yun ngayon.
yung wheels niya 18. Malaki yung wheels.
Pinamodify niya po.
Gusto ko din ng yung parang Vespa.
Yun, sir, okay yun.
Mas
Alam ko, sir, may cambio yun eh, no? Kaso sa handle.
oo.
Tama ba?
Meron. Yung luma, yung mga luma.
Ay, yung mga new version
Bago,
na
hindi. Wala.
automatic na sila. Oo.
Lambretta pwede din, no? Maganda yung Italian.
Si Kuya Kim, meron nun. Lambretta.
Oo.
Buo pa hanggang ngayon.
Ang pinaka-style si Ernie eh. What's his name?
Kuya Kim po.
Yes, quick yan.
Dami niya mga rare motorcycle.
Yung Weatherman.
Aba. Kali, dito kayo nag-work, sir, sa pupuntahan niyo.
Oo. Yung business ko, may barbershop ko dito sa Carolina.
May barbershop po kayo.
Oo. Naghahanap pa rin ako ng dalawa pang barber. Apat na chairs.
Kulang pa, sir.
Kulang. Pero okay lang. Steady kasi wala pa masyado. Kasi bago pa yung barbershop.
Sakto, sir, nagbablog ako, popost ko, sir.
Ha?
Sakto, sir, nagbablog ako, popost ko. Okay lang, sir?
Yeah, pwede.
Yeah. Sabi ko, wanted barbers.
Turn to a million and we all rich. That's just how I feel.
Be the last one out to get the dough. No way, I wanna be bucket head, no way. Hit the streets and we break the code. No way, hit the brakes when they on patrol. No way.
Hello. Good afternoon.
Hello po.
Bisita tayo.
Parang isang floor siya na
Isang floor lang, pero they have 6 floors, so ang daming mga ganito
iba-ibang
pockets,
variety.
Yeah. So it's really a place, a location you can go to check out for the day or half a day. There's food, you can eat here.
Yeah.
You know, there's a lot. The Carinderia on the corner is good too. You know, so there's for every budget naman.
okay. Ito yung mga classic music.
Yes. Tapos yung equipment niya.
Kaya nga eh.
Vintage retro din.
Ganda.
We have events here, and so we'll DJ, and we'll have events here. This will clear the
okay.
space. Yeah. And then
Nag-i-event din?
Yes, this is a ramen shop here. So these are
So, operating to, sir?
It is, but they're just not open yet. I think in an hour or two they'll start. So this is a restaurant. It's called Automat. Downstairs.
Mahilig ako sa ramen eh.
Yeah, I know it's really good. So, and then on the other side there's a retail store. So they sell mga local sellers, mga Filipino products and some international. Pero
Ang galing, no?
clothes, art, books, lahat. But they're not open yet today. I think they're open soon.
Mastik. Local natin to, sir.
Local though, yes. Well, mostly. There's some international stuff.
Ganda. Tsaka, yung ambience. Sobrang ano.
And then when there's a lot of people here, it's nice. There's a little bit of a buzz. People are just walking around.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Nice
Nice
meeting you
to
po.
meet you.
Opo.
Come back again
Pag
soon.
pupunta ako rito,
Yeah,
tsaka
please.
pag thank you
We're
ulit,
just
sir.
starting then, so
Apo.
thank you.
Okay,
Salamat
thank you,
ulit.
sir. Apo. Thank you, sir, Brad. Bye.
Bye.